All right, everyone, here we are with the man, the myth, the legend himself, Bob Tasca III. Bob, anything you want to say to the people?
Well, I don't know about a man, myth, and legend, but we're here having a whole lot of fun at Tasca Ford in Cranston, Rhode Island. 25th annual Mustang live music and food drive that we do for the Rhode Island Food Bank. So nice. After 2 years of the COVID delay, I guess you could call it,
right.
We're back here with the fans and all these Ford-powered cars out here. What a spectacular event. It's just great to be back with everybody.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
All right.
Appreciate it.
It's going to be real loud, and it's going to be real fuming. Hit the throttle twice, and then we'll shut it off.
Alrighty guys, we are back home from Cranston, Rhode Island. The Miata is tucked away in the garage for the day. And I hope you all enjoyed my little video of the 25th annual Tasca Ford car show. It was a lot of fun and there were a ton of cars to see. Also, seeing Bob Tasca start up his Nitro funny car was absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever heard anything that loud before in my entire life. We all lost a little bit of hearing right there. I definitely could have used some earbuds for that one. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.